creating our first task for the first project. Number one, let's ensure we save this project. Let's ensure we save. Save as. Michael underscore project 2010. Training. 2010 training. So now that we have saved our project as Chief-Michael Project 2010 training, and then we now need to learn one or two things. And we know a project plan needs to be created. A project plan is essentially a model that you construct of some aspect of project you are anticipating, what you think would happen, or what you want to happen. It's usually best if these are not too different. This model focuses on some, but not all, aspects of the new project: tasks, resources, time frame, possible their associated costs. Note that throughout this project, we will refer to the type of document that project work with as project plans, not documents or schedules. As you might expect, project focuses primarily on time. Sometimes you might know the planned start date of a project, the planned finish date, or both. However, when working with projects, you specify only one date, not both, the project start date or the project finish date. Why? Because after you enter the project start or finish date and the duration of the task, project calculation, the other date for you. Remember that project is not just mere a static repository of your schedule information or Gantt chart drawing too. It is an active scheduling engine. Most projects should be scheduled from start date, and even if you know that the project should finish by a certain deadline date, scheduling from a start date causes all tasks to start as soon as possible, and it gives the greatest scheduling flexibility. In this section, you will see this flexibility in action as we work with project that is scheduled from a start date. Number one, we go to projects. In projects, we click on project information. We enter the start date to be today's date, or we schedule it to be, let's say, tomorrow. Then the finish date. The finish date should be whichever date, but depending on the duration. Then schedule project start date. All tasks begin as soon as possible. The current date is this. Then status date not assigned. We can put status date today. Then calendar date is standard or shift. Anyone but we want to use standard is 8 working hours. Then 5 working days without weekends. It's of a high priority. So the next thing is we have scheduled that information, then we can click OK. So this specifies the start date. We click OK. Now, how do we enter our tax? The one thing is you need to know the plan. Let's quickly take this. Let's say I have a project called Bake Cake. Then I have a sub-project to bake cake. I go to market, going to market. Next thing is mayors. Then I say baking. Then distribution. Let's believe that this is what we want to do in this bake cake. For all this, and you know bake cake is what we call the project summary. Why these other ones are other tasks, but this task we indent it because this is a project summary task. This is summary task. Anyone that's under the project summary task will indent it because they are all on. Will indent this. If we have some projects, let's say baking. If we have any other thing under baking, we have some other things there. But for now, let's stay here. We just want to bake cake. We have all these tasks on that we're going to perform. Then we're going to go to the duration of the project. Bake cake. I just want to be 10 days. 10D. Press enter. Then I break down 10 days into the number of duration for all the tasks. Let's say this, I use 1 day to go to market. I use 3 days for mail. I use another 4 days for baking. Remaining how many days? This is 8 days, so remaining 2 days for all. Then I now go to the start date. What date am I starting this project? I've already scheduled this project to start on the 18th, so it's going to finish on the 1st of July. The next one is I'm starting on the 18th and finish it from here. Here I'm starting this after 18, that's 19. Then I'm starting this on the 24th. I'm starting this on the 30th. See, it's finishing, so there's no error here. If you this divider line, if you drag it like this, we can see in our Gantt chart everything well drew. The project has not started yet, so this is how to enter our project. Now, this is how to start our project and enter our task. See? Now, if you look up, it's showing manually schedule. If I want to auto schedule, I will say auto schedule. I come to mode, I play this one as auto schedule. Alright, so there are two types of schedule. The task, manual and the auto. This is how to start our project and enter task.